awi ukuchitika koma chakwera wapita ukakhalapo kuti akamvetsetse kuti kodi zikuyenda bwanji ndipo ndikonza motani. China chikuchitika imeneko ndi Nthola bola rice milling plant kumeneko tikutulutsa mpunga ndipo ala woja pano tikunena tikoti tidzipanga export tipeze forex imene nde ATMM strategy imene tikuti Nthola bola rice milling plant. Paliso Mzimba stadium imene ikumangidwa, pali Nthalire community hospital imene ndakamba ija, pali Mafinga and Mako irrigation schemes ku Chitipa, tikumangaso Mzenga irrigation scheme ku Nkata Bay. Tikupanga magetsi, kupanga electrify many areas mu region ya Marepo. Tifua tikudziwa kuti chilichonse tingapange chikufunikira magetsi. Pano tikudzutsa kaerekera mungamene ndakuudzani Lero ikupangidwa so ujenu irrigation ikupangidwa commission so imene tikuidzutsaso. Now pali 200 million amene alandira CDF imene 200 million imene yaperekedwa monga CDF and imene yathandiza kwambiri ma community. Ndewina akamati apanga chani pa CDF afuse anthu kumpoto akuuzani kuti awa ndi awa alandira. Mutati muoneso nkhani ya farmers kumene alipo ambiri amene agulitsa foja, agulitsa soya, agulitsa zambiri zimene akuyenera kuti adzigulitsa. Tikumangaso rumpi TTC kumeneko andi tikupanga expand chipatala mujandakambira. Ndakuluakulu ndisanapite kuzina mwachidule ndapereka izifwa choti anthu nthawi zambiri tikamakamba tikumayankhula koma apa ndakupatsani ma facts and ndifuna ndipange invite wa news wina aliyese zimene ndakamba pano pitani mukaone chifukwa zikumachuluka ndale koma anthu adziwe izi. Ife kumpoto sikuti tangoyala mphasa koma tuchitopita ukakhala nawo tikaone kuti kodi nsewu zikuti bwanji, kodi maphunziro zikuyenda bwanji, kodi titani pa zimene zikuchitika. Nkhani ina imene ndifuna ndikambe pano ndi nkhani ya tsogolo account pa yokha. Kwakhala kukukambidwa nkhani zooneka kuti anthu kaya sitikumvetsa kaya tikufuna kuti tisokoneze wanthu. Ndiye ndifuna ndiyambe nkukamba apa. Achakwera pa zaka zimene alamulira zaka izizi 5 kuphatikiza ndi zimene analowa anthu parliament 6 aona kuti nkhani yakula pa Malawi ndi umphawi. Ndiye tifuna tidule imene amati cycle of poverty kapena kuti umphawi usamachitwa kubereka ma generation. Ndiye akufuna kuti kuyambira pa 16 mwana wobadwa pa 16 September kupita kutsogolo abadwe mu dziko limene lidakonzeka kuti yeye wabadwa. Ena akuona ngati tunena kuti Achakwera akutuma anthu kukabereka bodza ngati mwalephera dzisankho kumangonena, ngati mulibe candidate ngati mene zikuonekeramu kumangooneka fakuli zipani zina zili ndi patient malo mokhala ndi candidate. Ndi amene muli ndi mavuto amenewo onani zochita mwina mthamange kuzipatala osati mudzidza nama za manifesto ya Malawi Congress Party. Ife tili ndi candidate, ife tidalembetsa, inu munanyamuka nokha kwa uzanthu asalembetse. Mpira umauluza munauzidwa kuti penalty imenyani running mate magwanayo mukatenga tipex nokha kudzakhazika ena mungoyambana kumeneko. Ndiye chonde ngati masowa zochita musanamizire Malawi Congress Party. Tsogolo account situnena kuti tidzapatsa anthu ndalama, situnenanso kuti kungobadwa wina wakalandira ndalama ayi. Iyi igwira ntchito mmene account yathu ya pension imagwirira. Ndifuna ndikumbutsa anthu pano tikanena kuti tikukonzekera pension situnena kuti tikukonzekera kuti anthu amwalire kapena asiye ntchito ayi. Chimodzimodzinso tikuti mwana akabadwa tidzikonzekera, sikuti boma lidzingodziwa kugula matewera okha ayi. Tidzikonzekera kuti mwana uyo adzafuna kupita ku university, tidzikonzekera kuti mwana uyo adzafuna business. Panopo anthu ambiri amene tikuvutika ndalama ana akulephera kupita ku university. Loans board taipereka ndipo tachulutsa anthu koma tikuona kuti si kufikira aliyese. Ndatakhala pasa Achakwera anena kuti tufuna tikonzekere kuti amene ali osauka nawo mabizinesi afikire, nawo university skuli ya ukachenjede yafikire, maskulu aku primary adzita kuthandizika. Ndiye zimene zichitika zoti mwana wobadwa achakwera akuyamba second term, boma likatenga ndalama ku account number 1 ikayikidwa ku investment account. Boma lidziponya ndalama mmene mujamu, ndalama zija zizipanga gain interest. Mwana amene abadwa pa 16 pamene achakwera akhala akulowa second term, woyamba kuti timpatse cheke chake chidzatuluka pa 2043. Kutanthauza kuti sikuti wina pana akhale pasi nkomati ndiye ndalama mukazitenga kuti akuluakulu kuti tithetse umphawi tikonzekere mavuto, osati kuchitoti palibe chimene tingapange. Chakwera si president wokweza manja mwamba, ndi president amene amasova mavuto. Ndi apa akadziponyedwa kandalama kaja moti panopo mtati muyang'ane muona kuti tidakakhala kuti tidayamba kale bwenzi pano kuti ayamba zaka zochepa zoti mwana amene afike 18 years boma limpatsa cheke. Ngati ukufuna kupita ku university pita, ngati ufuna business upita. Kutanthauza kuti kulibe kholo limene lilandire ndalama ifa choti mwana wabadwa. Hayi ndithu. Palibe amene alipidwe ifa choti wabaditsa mwana, koma boma liyamba kupanga plan imene tikutchula Chakwera legacy generation. Kutanthauza kuti Chakwera akutulutsa ana amene koyamba adzidziwa kuti nabadwa mu dziko limene linandipangira maplani. Endi izi zikhudza aliyense oti tikudabwa amene akulalatawo ana onse apanga qualify. Chifukwa zinthu izi sizayendera kuti ndi wakongerezi, zidzayendera kuti wabadwa ndiwe Malawi. Ndipo dziko lino ndalama imene titulutse ku mamaini ndi ndalama ya nkhani. Tikuyankhula za ma trillions. Kuliba amagazi ati tingatsegule cancer center. Kuliba amaganiza kuti ife tingakatenge running mate wakumpoto menyana covid mene mitengo ikuvuta tingapezeka kuti ife kuno ndiye kuli mtengo wotsika wa petro. Kumafika poti maiko ngati achina Tanzania wakumakwiya kuti atithandize chifukwa choti kuno akuti mitengo yatani yakwera. Koma ife takhala chete. Ndiye wina afuna atitayire political capital. Mwaulere munthu uzoti tinamulemba ndifeso ndi chipongwe. Ndiye apa sitichedwa apo pawa. Faunena zoona tudziwa kuti afuna zigulire malo, koma zigulireni malo mwanjira ina. Pezani zanu zonena monga chipani zomayedzekera kwa ifezi sizitithandize. In English, I would like to thank you reporters for coming to grace this occasion. The reason why I have called, as the spokesperson for Malay Congress Party, I've called this presser is really to keep you abreast, especially with the visit of Dr. Lazarus Makathi Chakwera in the north. I think you know that he has been there for almost a month, and the issue is very simple. He is there to make sure that people know that he just doesn't talk, but he values everyone from the north. He spent a night in Chitipa. And for others, they might wonder why it's important about that. What is important is because no president, since we became independent, has ever spent a night in Chitipa. No president has actually managed to spend a night there and make sure that he is sharing bed space with his people. What Dr. Chakwera has done shows that he doesn't just care, but he wants to see firsthand what the Chitipa people are going through. Yesterday, he spent a night in Karonga for the same reason. He wants to show that he is able to spend the night and see what is going on. Dr. Chakwera has not just shown a narrative of commitment to the North, a narrative of commitment to people in Chitipa, to people in Karonga, people in Mzuzu. He has also shown a narrative that says, I will be with you in challenges and in successes. Just in summary, he has gone there and improved access to health. Now, where they had just a health center, they now have a hospital. Why is that important? We now have more services. The establishment has been increased. We're now talking of a maternity ward, a kitchen, laundry, and all of that. From 20 people being employed, we're going to have 60. So he has also looked at job creation. We want to say that not only has increased access to health, you look at education. The people in Chitipa can boast of him attending to all the factors that matter. Remember, this is the president who removed quota system. This is the president who is putting up infrastructure in Mzuni and even the private universities there. This is the president who has even agreed to break ranks with IMF when they were telling him not to hire teachers. This shows a leader who is committed to his people, creating jobs, but much more important, increasing access to education. When we talk about the North, this journey started even during the time of John Tembo. We went to pick Peter Chiwona there. So our commitment to Chitipa, our commitment to Karonga, the running mate in the past was actually Msowe. Now Msowe is from Karonga. Now you can see, this time around we have said we are looking for a running mate. We've gone back to the North and picked Honorable Engineer Vitumbiko Mumba. When we see Dr. Lazarus Makathi Chakwera's visit in the North, read it as a commitment of Malay Congress Party to the people of the North. And every Northerner, if you greet them today, know you are meeting a running mate. Because Honorable Vitumbiko Mumba is not holding that seat in personal capacity. He's holding it as a representative of the North. So whether you are from Zuzu, you are from Chitipa, Karonga, name it, Nkatabe, you are the running mate of Malay Congress Party. That is why in this press conference, I am saying, unless you have been bewitched, or there is something wrong with you, anyone from the North cannot vote for any party, for anyone other than Dr. Lazarus Makathi Chakwera. He has actually sat down and shared meals with people from the North, slept there, talked to them, and seen and made sure he's seeing firsthand the challenges that they are going through. I've actually chronicled all the developments that are happening there, and in summary, I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to say people must be very clear that we are actually building defense houses, that is the police, MDF, immigration, prison houses that are being constructed, Mzuzu University Library, and the entrepreneurship hubs at Mzuzu University. We are constructing classroom blocks in all primary schools and including secondary schools under the MEP and ECOS project. Construction of the Nkatabe Jete. We have rehabilitation of Mzuzu Airport, which has been dilapidated and was stalling before. We have construction of the M1 road in the northern region, Chiweta, Gender, and other spots under construction since they are, they're on sustainable roads. And we're making sure that they're on sustainable roads. We're also constructing the Chipofia irrigation scheme in Rumpi, and it's the first ever. And it's magnificent, and it's something that stands out in the district. There is construction of Linga irrigation scheme in Katabe. There is construction of Ntola Ilola irrigation scheme. There is also the Mzimba Stadium that is being constructed, and we've got Ntalire Community Hospital in Chitipa, construction of Mafinga and Mako irrigation schemes in Chitipa, construction of Mzenga irrigation scheme in Katabe. I will go through the whole list because sometimes when our opposition runs out of what to talk about, they like running to development partners and saying we are doing nothing. So I want you to have clear ears on what we are doing. There is also electrification of most areas in the northern region under MAREP, and we have revived the Kairekera uranium plant, and 200 million CDF has been dispersed in communities in the north. There is construction of Rumpi, TTC, expansion of Zuzu, Urban Community Hospital, amongst others. Just as I'm talking, Kairekera is being commissioned, and for the first recommissioned. And for the first time, people know how much percentage they will have in Kairekera. When in the past, Malawians were just guests and they were just watching. Kairekera did not profit Malawians under the DPP dispensation. But for now, under the Dr. Lazarus Makathi Chakwera, not only are they profiting, they are partners. They know what is going on. And develop this country without you, and we are developing this country for you to have an equal share of whatever is going on. The other reason why I was calling this presser was just to make sure that we are all clear that Malay Congress Party is firmly on the driving seat when it comes to this campaign. As we are on day, I think if I'm not wrong, it's 37, right? Or is it 36? I think it's either 35. Yeah, 35 days to go. Oh, time is really flying. I did say for Malay Congress Party, we are sure of winning and we need to buy a clock that can make it quickly. So I see that the clock is really working. Yeah, 35 days to go. I think we are now in dancing time, especially when you are dealing with an opposition that does not even have a candidate. I think that's very good. 35 days to go. What we are saying is this election is ours to lose, because frankly we don't have an opposition. But all we need to do is make up on the 16th. Let's all wake up. So I'm saying to the people in the north, 16th September, make no mistake, 6 o'clock, make sure you are all dressed, ready. Go and vote for Tambala Wakuda. Go and vote for your partner in the north. Go and vote for a president who can sleep in Chitipa. Go and vote for a president who can spend the night in Karonga. Go and vote for a president who removed quota. Go and vote for a president who has made you the running mate and has trusted you to say, in his absence, it's you who will be running this country. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity. Let's all go out, right from gender up to Chitipa. Everybody must come out, go out and vote. The other issue that I've handled in this press conference is actually the issue of, I think I've also talked about the Kairekera, I've covered that. I've talked about Kentalire Road, I've also talked about that. I now want to turn my attention briefly to the Vice President, Dr. Michael Usi. And our words to what he has been saying is, we have kept quiet because frankly, him being made VP was because of the tragedy that befell us. And Dr. Lazarus Makathi Chakwera wanted to honor late SKC by putting in position the person whom he had trusted. It was because Dr. Lazarus Makathi Chakwera respects the rule of law and respects agreements that he makes when with his political partners. We want to call on the VP not to abuse that opportunity that he got, because frankly he wasn't going to be vice president if it wasn't for that tragedy. So instead of him just showing his gratitude for Malay Congress Party respecting the agreement that it had made, I think it is not in his place to be speaking the way he's speaking. Since he's saying government is corrupt, I want to say he is at liberty to resign. Why is he still taking trips given by the same government? He has just returned from a trip and then he comes back to bite the very hand that is feeding him. He must understand, when we talk about Malay Congress Party, we're not just talking about Dr. Lazarus Makathi Chakwera. Dr. Lazarus Makathi Chakwera gets his powers from the people of Malay Congress Party. And the people of Malay Congress Party are saying respectfully, please keep your lane. Just because you are on the ballot, you can't discover that the government you are in is corrupt. And if you believe that it's a problem, please resign. And you want to give him 24 hours is enough. He can build his political capital on his own. Malai Congress Party supporters are not amused by the way he is speaking, and we are saying, if you don't like being in government, get out. You can't use our resources, come and be abusing what we have necessitated. I want to underline that this opinion is coming from Malai Congress Party supporters, and as the spokesperson of the party, I am duty-bound to communicate what they feel. They are not amused. They've been very respectful of Dr. Michael Usi. He must not abuse his position. Let him campaign fairly, but he must not abuse his office. If he has problems with this government, he is free to resign, and we would be glad to receive his resignation. As for us, we've come here to tell you that for the North, please look at Dr. Lazarus Makathi Chakwera as your partner, as your only hope, as your servant leader, the one who has come to make sure that you have good education system. We have quality education system from primary up to higher. You have good health. You have got good businesses. You get NIF. You also get into Kulapakomo, and you are able to function properly. At this juncture, let me thank you very much for listening. I will now be able to take questions, and the one who was doing our PR, you can come off.